Motorola Moto E second generation earpiece speaker replacement. Use this guide to replace the speaker on your Motorola Moto E second generation. Turn off the device before beginning your repair. Using a heat gun, carefully apply heat around the edges of the display to soften the glue. Heat should be applied to the point where the phone isn't too hot to touch but close enough. Using the small plastic opening tool, pry and slide all the way around the phone while carefully lifting up on the display. The screen is secured by two-sided tape located on the edge. Once display is fully unglued from the frame, carefully lift it up and locate the display connector. Using the same small plastic tool, carefully remove the yellow tape off the connector. Now carefully undo the black connector lock by lifting it up in the direction of the red arrow. Do not pry on the gray part of the connector. Lastly, slide the display cable off the connector. It should easily slide off. If not, make sure the black lock is fully unlatched. Now that the display is out, remove the aluminum shield off the motherboard. Unscrew the single 4mm screw located on the top using a T4 Torx bit. After screw is out, gently remove the aluminum shield off the motherboard. Working on a magnet board is recommended as the screws are small and can easily be misplaced. Using the metal spudger tool, very carefully remove the speaker by first gently prying up on the right side and then the bottom. The earpiece is held by double-sided tape and clips to the motherboard, so be very careful.